Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to create the square spiral in Photoshop. Let's begin. First, create the new document with same width and height. I create my document with 600 width and 600 pixels height. Now fill the document with the white background. Select the white background, and by using the paint pocket tool you can paint the document with white background. So now I have the white background documents. Now go to view and create a new guide layout and put the rows and number 10 and 10. Press it OK. Now you will have the guide, and check the pencil tool and start from the middle by holding the shift key. Make sure you change the color to different color. Put on black color because it was not visible when I tried to draw it. Now you can see it's visible. By holding the shift key, create the straight line and leave it in the middle point. See, by working like this it takes a lot time, so this is not the right way to do. So let's go the other way. Ctrl J to undo. Okay, now I have undo everything, and let's start from here. When you go and check the pen tool, and it's from the middle, click on the points and create a square spiral. You can see it's quite faster, and you don't need to hold the shift key as well. Just click on the points and create a spiral. Okay, almost there. Now I've reached up to the end points. After that, change the stroke. With the stroke to black color, you can able to see it now, the square stroke. Sorry. And change the width. When I change the width, you can see that it's changing as well. Again, go back to view and clear the guides. Okay, that's it. This is how you make the square spiral in Photoshop. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and comment as well. Thank you.